Hey, g'day everybody, it's Matt here from Matt Carves. We're going to do something a little bit different today. We're going to carve this, we know it in New Zealand as perspex, but I think it's known as acrylic in other countries. But essentially it's like hard plastic, that clear stuff that can replace glass in some aspects, I guess. I'm just trying out the different burrs. There's a cut saw burr and just seeing how it cuts into that plastic. And I'm also using a cutter burr there. That leaves a really nice finish. Okay, so I used the bandsaw to cut that point in the end to speed up the process. As you can see, sort of like that plastic, oh, I guess it's just like wood dust, but it seems to be like statically charged, so it's kind of like sticking to everything. It's a real pain. It's probably like an environmental hazard or something like that. So I'm not going to carve in this again, but you got to stick around to see the end product. It's pretty cool that you can actually see the face from the other side of the carving as well, which is pretty good. Look at my hand, it's all, that stuff is everywhere. Terrible. Yes, I'm looking at my hand again. Right, okay, let's get on with carving. Okay, so we're going to put in the hat here, well, the edge of the hat, and I'm just using cutter burr. I'm going to use a lot of different kind of burrs in this. Always when you're carving something new, you want to try out all the different burrs to see which works best. Got to remember, this doesn't have like grain, it doesn't have knots or anything like that. It just has those horribly statically charged dust particles. So I'm just drawing in the nose there and the sort of like the brow line, just to give myself an idea on where to carve all of these like parts. It's actually, what I found difficult about this is it's transparent, so it's really hard to focus on it. It's quite weird as well, because you can actually see the carving from the other side as well, so you see not just what you're carving, but the other side of what you're carving, if that makes any sense. Right, so here we go, we're carving the nose, and I'm using a cutter burr there. And a diamond burr here. I've found the diamond burrs, they leave like that white line. And although they did come out later with a bit of polishing. Okay, if you don't know, I am addicted to coffee, and I have got a buy me a coffee kind of donation set up again. Went down for a while as they changed things around, but I got it back up and running. And so if you did want to buy me a coffee, I don't actually buy coffee with it. I buy, so like, it goes towards the channel, you know what I mean? So it goes towards bringing you more videos. I'll check that little man out. It's very transparent.